Grantha letters. வடமொழி எழுத்துக்கள். Grantha letters are an integral part of Tamil's historical and cultural heritage. They represent a bridge between the classical Tamil script and the complexities of Sanskrit pronunciation. If you take a look at this slide, these are all the Grantha letters that we are going to see now. Let's take a look at these letters first. Ij, ij, ish, ish, is, is, iksh, iksh. So you can pronounce ij as in judge, jam, ish as in shop, childish, is as in smile, kiss as in hi, hotel, iksh as in Lakshmi, Lakshwadeep. Now we are going to see about these Grantha letters. So these are all age line letters. Jajja, Jiji, Juju, Jeje, Jai, Jojo, Jau. Each line letters. Shasha, Shishi, Shushu, Shishe, Shai, Shosho, Shau. Each line letters. Sasa, Sisi, Susu, Setse, Sai, Soso, Sau. Line letters. Kaka, Ihi, Uhu, Kehe, Hai, Oho, Kau. Each line letters. Shaksha, Shi, Shi, Shu, Shu, She, She, Shay, Sho, Sho, Show. This is how it can be read. So now let's see how these letters are formed. So these letters are formed when Grantha letters and the Eluthukal is combined. Ich plus a, ja. Ich plus a, ja. Ich plus e, g. Ich plus e, g. Ich plus u, ju. So likewise you have to combine all other letters. See here, is plus a, sa. Is plus e, si. Plus a, ha. So now I can give you some example of words where you can see the Grantha letters and Tamil letters are mixed. Let's say Jodi. It starts with Jo, Jodi. And you might have heard the name Hasini. Ha, Hasini. Shashti. Sha, Shti. Shashti. Let us see some examples. Jodi, Jodi, Par, Pujai, Pujai, prayer, Jannal, Jannal, window, Jayam, Jayam, victory, Varusham, Varusham, year, Kashtam, Kashtam, trouble, Hindi, Hindi, Hindi language. I hope now you got some idea about Grantha letters. If you enjoy this video, and want to learn more, check out the full Tamil course. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.